So we have some breaking Cardano news for everybody here in this video. Appreciate you guys for stopping back. ADA holders, get ready for September 1st because that is our new launch date. So we do have a delay with the Chang hard fork. If you're not familiar with what the Chang hard fork is going to bring to the table, well, you came to the right video because we are going to highlight that for you. It is a huge upgrade for Cardano. This is basically the upgrade and update that sets us into a truly decentralized environment around ADA. And we're going to have to wait just a little bit longer, about a week from now, in order to get this thing out there and live. As it says here, Cardano's Chang hard fork waits for better weather. IOG postpones launch to September 1st. We'll highlight what this looks like, and then we're going to take a look at the price of Cardano. So do not go anywhere in this video, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe down below, and if you're interested in checking out XT Algo to know when to get in and out of Cardano and Ethereum and Bitcoin and all your favorite cryptos, this is going to give you the best trading insight you could possibly receive. You could set up your own customized alerts, amazing 30-day money-back guarantee. You could try it risk-free for 30 days. And Margex, if you're looking to trade on leverage, come on over and join us at Margex. It is the one-stop shop for everything trading crypto on leverage. No KYC over there with Margex either. All right, so let's get in to the big story here. Cardano's Chang hard fork waits for better weather. IOG basically says, hey, we're pushing the can down the road a little bit. We're going to look at September 1st. The Chang hard fork, a pivotal upgrade for Cardano. Some would say it's the most important yet because they're looking for complete decentralization and community-driven governance. This is the Voltaire era. ADA holders will be empowered with the ability to directly participate in all decision-making processes that shape the future of the network. At the core, Chang hard fork is the introduction of on-chain governance mechanisms. These will allow ADA holders to vote on proposals, influence protocol changes, and have a say-so, guys, in every step of the way. Now, as a large Cardano holder, one of the reasons why I fell in love with ADA and Cardano and why I have a lot of respect for Charles Hoskinson is, simply put, they're doing things different, right? They've been around since 2017. They're looking to infiltrate into governments, institutions. They're building these blockchains and these, technological pieces for good. And I think that's really, really interesting. Ethereum is huge. It's so beneficial, but it's kind of like the Walmart version of smart contracts, whereas Cardano's really focusing in. This is one of the reasons why Hoskinson actually left Ethereum in the first place. He's really focused in on taking a very measured, specific approach. One of the things Cardano and company want to do is put, students' test scores in developing countries in particular on the blockchain to have a better system there educationally in those areas, right? These are the sort of projects they're working on. Now, in addition to these governance changes, the Chang hard fork introduces several technical advancements that will bolster Cardano's security, scalability, and functionality. Advanced cryptographic capabilities, enhanced smart contract support, and improvements in decentralized development, application development, are all part of this upgrade as well. And these upgrades can be implemented seamlessly through HFC technology, hard fork combinator technology. It's designed to enable smooth transitions during the upgrade, avoiding network downtime. And Hoskinson even spoke to this, saying, hey, we will not have any downtime on our blockchain. Even talking about how this little delay here for a week, it's a little minor setback. He said, listen, we want to make sure everything is 100% ready to go. He addressed the delay on social media, saying the magic of deadlines is that people who aren't taking upgrades seriously suddenly say, damn, we got to get moving. When they get moving, we converge quickly. It looks like Binance and a few others need more time to get their houses in order, so the rocket is going to wait on. Now, speaking of that rocket, the price rocket is what a lot of people are waiting for. And this is the weekly chart on Cardano, guys. Okay, when we zoom out here on the weekly, you can actually see where we are in the whole grand scheme of things here. Yes, we did pop up over $3 back in 2021, and I think we're, getting set for that parabolic move here this bull run. I really think we're like, somewhere in this range, where we were last cycle. I think we're getting dangerously close to altcoin season, guys. Cardano was a late mover, late bloomer last cycle, and it was very, very quiet. It didn't run up a lot, the first big pop we had in the springtime, and then all of a sudden, you guys can see from September 2020 to August 2021. So basically, this 11-month stretch just absolutely went insane. From 8 cents, guys, 8 cents, all the way over $3. Insane parabolic growth. We're back down now to 38 cents. So where could we go from here? Well, I've been talking about a $5 to $7 price target here with Cardano. Some say we can go to $10 and beyond. Now, from the moving average standpoint, we're starting to flip some nice zones here and get into the buy zone, which is good to see. Right now, we're a buy across the board from the 10 all the way down to the 50-day. We're trying to get over some of our big 100 and 200-day moving averages. So that is going to be tough to get to that SMA 200 because we got to get all the way back to 49 cents. Right now, we're at 38 cents. So it's going to take a little bit of a push here. The 100-day sitting right at 40 cents. We're right on the cusp of that. And the exponential moving average 200-day, as you can see there, 43, and the SMA 48. Now, if we go back to the chart, get into the 1-day, we did pop up here close to these, but we just could not close above it. We did get a momentum up candle yesterday on the daily. It's followed by a little bit of a pullback, but we're still creating higher lows so far here in the last week or so. So we'll see if this trend line can continue. We did wick up to about 40 cents yesterday when the market popped up there. RSI still looks really, really good. We're still gearing up for a nice run up there. And who knows, maybe with this short little delay here, once we get this to rock into September, this could be a nice little catalyst for Cardano. Couple that with the overall sentiment in the market right now. Obviously, we've got the possibility of rate cuts coming that could impact altcoin market significantly. And if we take a look at just the altcoins across the board, Cardano overtaken by Tron recently to get into the top 10 there. Cardano fell out recently, but still a lot to love about where ADA is right now. I still think it's very, very undervalued here at 38 cents, considering all of the happenings and all the goings on with the blockchain itself. This is not a ghost chain. It's not a dead chain like many people like to say. I don't know. A buddy of mine was out at Rare Evo in Vegas, said the energy was sky high. Of course, Cardano has a huge foothold there most of the time. So, listen, guys, I hold over 100,000 Cardano. I believe in this project. It's much more of a long-term play. So this little, week-long delay, kick the can down the road, it's not a make or break thing for me. I'm holding this thing throughout this cycle to see where we can go. They've done so much throughout the bear market, and it's time for them to reap the benefits and rewards. And we're going to see, I think, developer activity really scale up as this bull run heats up. And I think Cardano's going to see a lot of influx of new investors because people know the name. They remember it from last cycle. A lot of the new retail money that will come in have heard about this before. They're going to quickly find out what Cardano's all about. It's listed on all the major exchanges. It's well-positioned, well-situated for institutional and retail adoption here in these next 6 to 12 months. I'm super excited. We'll be talking about ADA, Cardano, so make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and we'll see you in the next video.